to say your way 2D to your 3D. So you pass settings. I was say I say yeah, click this out small arrow now pop it up. See, you will select 3D modeling. 3D modeling. You click on it. So you see that the interface has changed. So come here, the 2D wireframe to shaded or conceptual, or yes, shaded is okay. From there we change the top or unstable view to SE, Southeast Isometric. This is what we are working on today. So now the view has changed to Southeast Isometric here, and then it has changed to shaded here. Now we go to press pull, which is this one. You find it at the model right up side of your left hand side. Press pull, you click on press pull, you bring it in between the two circles, the empty space but not on the line. You click on it, you come to down the command line, you see multiple, you click on the multiple, then you come here, the center, you click in between the space, the empty space, click on it, come to this side, the same thing between the polygons or hexagon, you click on the same thing, you press enter on your keyboard, then you move your cursor up, the height of it is 15, 5, you press enter, and that ends it. Now we'll go and select union. So we'll go to solid editing, this menu, then we select the first one is the union, solid union. You click on it, you come and select it either one by one, or you click outside the drawing and highlight it and press enter. It will turn to one object. You double click on it, you double click on the drawing, then the color will come. You can change the color from there, yellow, gold, any color that you want, you can change it from there. Yes, so that's what's all about the 3D. That's all about the 3D. Thank you.